Have you ever wanted to sound more natural when talking about your daily life in English? In this lesson, I'll teach you 30 useful sentences that native speakers use every night, from coming home after work, to eating dinner, to getting ready for bed. My name is Megan, and this is English with Ease, the channel where you practice real English that you can use every single day. Before we get started, I want to learn more about you. In the comments, tell me 2 things: who you are, just something simple, like your name or where you're from, and why are you watching this video? Maybe you want to improve your English speaking. Maybe you're practicing for school, or maybe you just love learning new words. After you write your comment, take a moment to read what other learners wrote. You might find someone from your country or someone with the same goal as you. Let's make this a place where we can learn and connect together. Write your introduction in the comments below. Now back to today's lesson. In today's video, we're going to shadow together. That means you'll listen to me, then repeat exactly what I say. You'll copy my rhythm, my tone, and my speed. It's one of the fastest and most effective ways to train your brain and your mouth to speak English fluently. By the end of this video, these sentences will feel natural, and you'll be able to talk about your night routine with confidence. Are you ready? Let's begin. I arrive home from work at 6 o'clock. I arrive home from work at 6 o'clock. I take off my shoes and hang up my jacket. I take off my shoes and hang up my jacket. I put my bag down by the door. I put my bag down by the door. Good. Keep going. I head straight to the kitchen to start dinner. I head straight to the kitchen to start dinner. I wash vegetables before cooking. I wash vegetables before cooking. I boil rice and grill some chicken. I boil rice and grill some chicken. Excellent. You're doing great. I set the table with plates, cups, and silverware. I set the table with plates, cups, and silverware. I eat dinner with my family at the table. I eat dinner with my family at the table. I drink a glass of water with my meal. I drink a glass of water with my meal. After dinner, I wash the dishes in the sink. After dinner, I wash the dishes in the sink. Amazing! Your sentences are starting to flow. I wipe down the kitchen counter. I wipe down the kitchen counter. I put leftovers in a container and store them in the fridge. I put leftovers in a container and store them in the fridge. I take out the trash before it gets too full. I take out the trash before it gets too full. Great job. Let's keep moving. I sit on the couch and turn on the TV. I sit on the couch and turn on the TV. I watch a show to relax after a long day. I watch a show to relax after a long day. I check my phone and scroll through messages. I check my phone and scroll through messages. Excellent. Stay with me. I call a friend to catch up. I call a friend to catch up. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I pack my work bag for the next day. I pack my work bag for the next day. I make a cup of tea to help me relax. I make a cup of tea to help me relax. Amazing! You're halfway through. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I floss to keep my teeth clean. I floss to keep my teeth clean. I wash my face with warm water. I wash my face with warm water. Good. You're really improving. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I read a book in bed for 15 minutes. I read a book in bed for 15 minutes. I write in my journal about my day. I write in my journal about my day. Excellent. Almost there. I set my alarm clock for the morning. I set my alarm clock for the morning. I turn off the lights in the living room. I turn off the lights in the living room. I get into bed and turn off the lamp. I get into bed and turn off the lamp. I close my eyes and fall asleep peacefully. I close my eyes and fall asleep peacefully. Amazing! You just practiced 30 essential sentences for your night routine. If you keep shadowing along with me, these sentences will soon feel automatic and natural. Remember, the key to fluency is consistency. The more you listen, repeat, and practice, the more confident you'll sound in real conversations. Thank you for spending this time with me here on English with Ease. I'm proud of the progress you've made today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next lesson.